Hi family, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own natural hair dye that will not only darken your hair but is also going to help to boost hair growth and prevent breakage. This recipe is so powerful, so you want to make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video, so that I'm going to walk you through the ingredients, how I used it, how I prepared it, and how you can actually use it on your hair. So guys, trust me, you would not want to miss this video for anything. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end. Welcome back once again. Is your favorite girl Chama Innocent, your queen of DIY. So why choose a natural hair dye? It is because most chemical hair dyes actually strip your hair a lot of moisture, cause hair breakage, and makes your hair feel weak. So that is why we're going to be making use of a natural hair dye. As you can see, our first ingredient is cloves. The next ingredient is fenugreek. You see, these two ingredients actually helps to prevent hair breakage and boost hair growth. And they also have natural pigments that they actually give to the hair. These two combo will actually help to thicken your hair. The next is black seed. It is actually called Ngela sativa. A lot of people refer it to as the seed of blessing. This particular seed actually helps to prevent hair thinning and breakage. So it is definitely a must have, and it has natural pigments. And the next one you were seeing there was turmeric powder. Turmeric is not only good for the skin, oh, it is also very powerful ingredient for the hair. It actually helps to stop inflammation and prevent dandruff. Our next ingredient is onion peel. That's onion peel that you are always throwing away. Do you know that it does a lot of benefits for your hair? Onion peel is an antioxidant which stimulates scalp growth, and it also has sulfur compound which actually helps to strengthen the hair follicles and prevents breakage, and it also gently dyes your hair. So the first thing we're going to do is to put our pan on fire in low heat. Please make sure that it is in low heat. And after the water has dried from the pan, I'm going to roast the onion peel to give me that dark pigment that I want. Because if I should actually use it like this, it's not really going to give me what I want. So I roasted it for about 15 minutes to give me that dark pigment that I wanted to use for my recipe. So after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is to take it out. As you can see, it's already forming. The next ingredient I'm going to, roast is my turmeric powder. I'm going to roast my turmeric powder to give me that dark pigment that I want. Because at the end of the day, the end goal is to darken our hair. So if you've watched up to this point and you have not yet liked and subscribed to part of this amazing family, please do well to hit the like and subscribe button, and also share to friends. Trust me, they are gonna find this video really helpful. Just a way of saying, Chama, thank you so much for putting all these amazing video for us. And one thing, guys, do not make sure that you do not skip away, okay? Because I'm gonna actually, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the bomb shaker to this video. I don't know if there's like bomb shaker, but the game changer. So as you can see how I roasted all the seeds. The only seed that I did not roast is the seed of blessing, Ngela sativa, also known as our black seed, because it already has that dark pigment already, so I wouldn't be roasting it. So I'm going to put a little water, then put all my recipe, the ingredients. As you can see, I just added my black seed, the seed of blessing, to it. This black seed, like if you do not add it, like your ingredient is not yet complete. So I'm going to steam it together so that all the ingredients can be combined, to combine all the ingredients and let it be infused in it. And after I've steamed it for about 10, what, like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to blend it. So I actually gave it to my mother to help me blend it already. This video is an unfiltered video. Like, I'm going to take you guys through all the process. Trust me, guys, you're really going to enjoy it. So after blending it for me, it has given me this paste. I've gotten my paste already. You can see how dark it looks, right? So I'm going to sieve out the you know, the thick paste and get my water, the water that I need. You know, you can actually use this naturally as a hair growth spray, okay? And finally, our henna powder. Your recipe is incomplete without you adding this your henna powder. So I'm gonna be mixing the powder with the water, the fluid that it came with, and I'm also going to add our own recipe that we've mixed out. You know, these things, this recipe that I've just added to this henna powder will actually help to boost hair growth. It is not going to just give your hair that color, that dark and shine color that you want, but it's also going to help to balance your pH level, because that is what a henna powder will actually help to do, and going to give your hair that shine and that boost, and most importantly is going to avoid hair breakage. So you can see how gray white hair has, you know, overtake this hair. So just watch out to see the transformation, guys. You are going to be so amazed. Like, this recipe gives me a lot of joy, because not only is it going to help to dye our hair, like I said, it's also going to help to boost hair growth and to balance the pH level of the hair. So right now, as you can see, I have already dissected, like, you know, divided the hair into good sections. Then I'm going to apply the I'm going to blend my recipe. I'm going to blend my ingredients accordingly to our hair. So stay tuned. If you've not yet liked, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button right now. Likes. I'm pretty sure you're really enjoying this video right now. Come down to the comment section. Tell me where you are watching from and what you think about this video. Have you tried this recipe before? If you haven't, please say you haven't and you are gonna try this recipe. Also check out our description box so that you do not miss out on any important information as regarding this. Okay, so you can see how I'm actually taking my time to blend the mixture to our hair to make it evenly. Okay, you have to do it simultaneously. To apply this dye, make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. Section your hair, apply the mixture evenly from the roots all the way to the ends. You can leave this dye for about 1 to 3 hours, but I think I left hers for like she left hers for like 4 to 5 hours, because I really needed it to be really dark. Yes, I needed it to be really, really dark. Then later on, you want to make sure that you rinse it out with lukewarm water. Avoid using shampoo right immediately to avoid the color to reduce. So you want to make sure that you don't use shampoo immediately so that the color can set properly. This dye is going to give you a natural dark shade color, and it will reduce breakage. It's gonna give you stronger strands of hair, a healthier growth over time. This recipe is not just a dye, it is not just a hair dye, it is also a treatment for your hair. That was why we actually went through all that process to make sure that we actually achieve this. Okay, please guys, come down to the comment section and say thank you for putting up this amazing video for us now. So as you can see, I actually had to cover the hair after everything. So the essence of covering the hair so that all the ingredients can infuse in each other properly. But after a while, I actually had to remove it. Okay. So guys, I have already washed it and dried it, and I had to roll it so that the hair won't shrink. Of course, it's natural hair. And you see how lovely the hair looks. Oh my god, I am loving this right now. So let me take out the rollers to see how, oh, look at how coily it is. My mom actually has a very beautiful hair. God, this is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. You can see how healthy and thick our hair is. And can you see how dark the hair is right now? Oh, women, please take care of yourself. You can actually do this yourself right from the comfort of your kitchen. Can you see how thick? Check out the volume, guys. It's so loud. Our hair looks so healthy. I'm going to apply my hair growth oil on our scalp. If you want me to make a video on that, come down to the comment section and also say please make a video for us. Okay, so let me give her a baby look. a baby look. So guys, we've actually come to the end of today's video. I'm pretty sure you actually found this video helpful. You can see how it was easy for us to actually make our natural hair dye. The essence of making this is because it is free from chemicals. It will not cut your hair. It's going to serve as also a hair treatment, whereby also giving you that beautiful color that you want. You can see how healthy and beautiful our hair looks from this to that. Can you just see? So, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know you found the video really helpful. Comment, and share. And if you notice, our hair didn't even cut while I was going. So, guys, we've come to the end of today's video. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to check out the description box for additional information. Until then, bye bye.